Why would anyone stand on headphones? As you can see, this is a flexible joint. Someone stood on these and no glue would work. I tried Sika, Tech Grip, JB, Weld, etc. and nothing worked. Here we cut some fine stainless steel mesh. We heat the mesh with a fine soldering iron. Notice the word is soldering, not soldering. Put mesh around as many sides as you can. Here we can see that there are 3 sides accessible. Find some plastic. Here I used some motorcycle black plastic. The plastic hides the mesh and melts to join the original plastic. It stops the mesh scratching the ears. Thanks for watching.